Okay, what I have here is a wedge of blue cheese. This is made right here in Oregon at a place called Rogue Creamery, very well known for their blue cheeses. What makes blue cheese what it is an organism called Penicillium roqueforti that gives it its characteristic blue color. It has some interesting characteristics. It is a microaerophilic fungus, meaning it can tolerate low oxygen levels like that found in the veins of blue cheese. It is psychrotolerant, which means it thrives best at temperatures from 5 to 35 degrees Celsius. It can live within a large pH range of acidic at 3.0 up to 10.5, which is basic. It is halotolerant, which is important. Blue cheese is some of the saltiest cheese out there. It can be 6 to 8% salt, so that's kind of important. And then it reproduces asexually primarily, like most microorganisms. It produces spores called Candida. They give the blue cheese its blue color. This fungus can also reproduce sexually though, which is interesting. And then there's a few metabolic processes that Penicillium roqueforti has that really give blue cheese its characteristics. Lipolysis, which is the breaking down of fats, that's really ultimately responsible for the smell and the taste through the byproducts of that metabolic process. And then proteolysis, which is the breaking down of proteins, that gives the blue cheese its texture. And the other interesting characteristic is that this organism does remain alive in this package after it is wrapped up. Its growth is inhibited because the package reduces oxygen levels, and it's obviously cold in refrigerators. So the Rogue Creamery website says if your blue cheese is not blue enough, you can open it up, leave it at room temperature for about an hour, and it should turn blue again. And that's because the fungus is going to become metabolically active. So I've done a little experiment. I have this wedge of cheese that I've left out for a little over an hour now, and this one I just took out of the fridge. We're going to open them and see if they look different. Totally breaking this up. Oh, and you can see it. So the one that's left out, very green. The one out of the fridge that I just mangled, not very green at all. So there you have it, Penicillium roqueforti.